कुनागलू बेट्टा बेंगलुरु से 60 किलोमीटर के अंदर एक बहुत ही सुंदर सा प्लेस है ये, जहाँ पे विद इन द केव्स यानी कि गुफा के अंदर होके ट्रेक करना पड़ता है टू रीच एट द हिल पॉइंट, which is really exciting. So today in this video we are going to explore this really beautiful unexplored place just nearby Bangalore, and we will share our experience of this journey with you guys. Let's begin. Hello guys, Jai Jagannath, welcome to this new blog. As I said in the intro, today we are going to one of the beautiful scenic hill point and trekking point, that is Kunagalu Betta. And on this trip total we are going 6 friends on 2 vehicles, one car is there और एक bike भी है. So total we are going 6 people, 4 people on car and 2 on bike. At around 6:30 we left from our meeting point and weather was very good, so very pleasant for riding. And since this place is nearby Ramnagara city, which comes in the Mysore road, so we took the Mysore road to reach at this destination. गाइस, सिंस मैसूर रोड इज़ अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन, तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारे जगहों में डाइवर्जन है, इसी वजह से देर आर ए लॉट ऑफ ट्रैफिक इन द मॉर्निंग टाइम ऑल्सो. सो इट टुक लिटिल बिट मोर टाइम फॉर अस ड्यू टू द ट्रैफिक, and we took our first stop for the breakfast at the Guru 30 Idli, which was nearby Ramnagara only, and it was very famous for special 30 Idli. It was little bit crowded because so many people on weekend travels through that Mysore road, and they used to take breakfast break at that place only because it was very famous idli point. So हमने वहाँ पे रुके to have our breakfast. We ordered the famous 30 idli and bada, and trust me guys, it was really delicious and very soft from inside, and the size of idli is also a little bit bigger, because of which it becomes a heavy meal. तो ओवरऑल टेस्ट एंड क्वांटिटी वाइज ये बहुत मतलब टेस्टी एंड डिलीशियस था. आफ्टर हैविंग इडली बड़ा वी हैड टी एंड कॉफ़ी देयर विच वाज एवरेज सिंस वी आर गेटिंग लेट. तो फटाफट वहाँ से ब्रेकफास्ट ख़त्म करके हम लोग निकल गए हमारे डेस्टिनेशन की तरफ. Guys, after entering to the Ramnagar city, we took the left as per Google Map, and there we met a person who was very special because since last so many years he was traveling through all the states of India to promote world peace by his bicycle. So it was quite appreciating. सो हम लोग ने वहाँ पे रुके एंड उनके साथ बात भी किए, एंड वो अपने एक्सपीरियंस भी हमारे साथ शेयर कर रहे थे. सो इट वाज रियली ए आउटस्टैंडिंग जॉब ही इज़ डूइंग टू प्रमोट द वर्ल्ड पीस बाय राइडिंग ऑन हिज बाईसाइकिल इन ऑल ओवर द स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया. उनको बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स भी मिले थे एंड बहुत सारे आर्टिकल्स पे भी उनका ये एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में आर्टिकल आया था. सो इट वाज ए गुड मीटिंग विथ हिम, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी स्टार्टेड टुवर्ड्स आवर डेस्टिनेशन फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट. गाइज, इस हिल पॉइंट के बॉटम में एक छोटा सा विलेज था जहाँ पे कुछ लोकल्स थे, जिनके मदद से वी फाउंड आउट द करेक्ट रूट टू रीच एट द टॉप. द कंक्रीट रोड गोज टिल द 30% ऑफ द हिल. उसके बाद से ऑफ रोड स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो वी डिसाइडेड टू पार्क आवर बाइक एंड कार देयर, and there was a small temple also, and from there we started our trekking to reach at the hilltop. After reaching this place, my first impression was really awesome because this place was filled with greenery and rocks all around. And since it is very less explored place, तो वहाँ पे except our group और कोई नहीं था. So we started our trek from there, and there are actually two peaks in this hill. The first peak is very easy to trek. There is a narrow road over small stones in between the trees to reach at the first peak, जो कि थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट था because the rocks were little bit slippery. But after reaching the peak, we experienced a beautiful view at this small peak, and also the view of village from this peak was quite impressive. गाइज इस फर्स्ट पिक में एक बुल स्टैचू भी था जो कि बहुत सुंदर लग रहा था इस व्यू के साथ. सो हमने वहाँ पे कुछ टाइम स्पेंड किए बिकॉज वी आर लिटिल टायर्ड आफ्टर दिस फर्स्ट ट्रैक. So we spent some time there and have some water, and after that we started for the second trek towards the second peak. Guys, just after starting the trek, we saw the huge cave there, and it was very exciting for us. And the best part was while entering the cave, it felt so chill that it feels like an AC room. So we entered the cave from there, and at one point, the cave was so small, so narrow that the opening was very small, and it was little bit difficult to enter in that small opening, but we could manage to enter in that small opening. And in between the cave there was so dark that it was difficult for us to trek, but we could manage through the mobile flashlight, so it was little adventurous and quite exciting too. आफ्टर कमिंग आउट ऑफ द केव, हियर कम्स द चैलेंजिंग पार्ट. यहाँ पे बहुत बड़े बड़े रॉक्स थे और उसके ऊपर से हमें क्लाइम करना था टू रीच एट द हिल पॉइंट. सो इन सम रॉक्स देर वर स्टेप्स मेड, एंड कुछ में हैंड रेल्स भी लगा हुआ था फॉर सपोर्ट. सो वी मैनेज टू क्लाइम द रॉक्स यूजिंग दो सपोर्ट, एंड वी फाइनली रीच्ड एट द हिल टॉप. गाइस ये व्यू इतना सुंदर था कि वी फॉरगॉट द पेन ऑफ ट्रेकिंग. इट वॉज रियली ए ब्यूटिफुल एक्सपीरियंस टू एंजॉय द व्यू फ्रॉम हियर. फाइनली आफ्टर एडवेंचरस ट्रैक हम लोग ने हिल टॉप पे पहुंच गए, एंड द ट्रैक वाज आई वुड से मॉडरेटली डिफिकल्ट, एंड इट टोटली टुक अराउंड 30 to 40 minutes फॉर अस फ्रॉम द बॉटम टू द हिल टॉप. एंड आफ्टर रीचिंग हियर द व्यू वाज रियली इम्प्रेसिव. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं ये हिल पॉइंट से जो नीचे का व्यू है वो बहुत सीनिक है, एंड ऑल्सो इसके अराउंड में बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे और भी हिल्स हैं, उनका व्यू भी यहाँ से बहुत अच्छा आ रहा था. And there is a shade made over there, and which protects the trekkers from the summer and rain, and that was quite helpful also for trekkers. And हमारे लिए भी ये बहुत helpful रहा क्योंकि that time it was very sunny, so we took shelter under this shade and spent some time there. So with this beautiful nature, the time we spent, it was a very good experience. We enjoyed at this hill point. जस्ट नियर बाई द सेड वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा टेम्पल भी बनाया गया था एट द एंड ऑफ द हिल पॉइंट, बट सरप्राइजिंगली देर वॉज नो स्टैचू, नो गॉडेस इन साइड द टेम्पल. But the look of the temple with this beautiful nature combiningly gives a very pleasant vibe here. So finally guys, after spending some quality time at this beautiful hilltop with this heavenly view, we plan to return back. The downward trek was little bit difficult than the upward trek क्योंकि यहाँ पे slope थोड़ा straight था, so on the rocks we have to little bit more careful while getting downwards, but we could manage by help of all those handrails and steps made on rocks. And finally after a riskier downward trek हम लोग ने नीचे उतर गए, and the experience of trekking both upward and downward was very adventurous and very exciting also. So guys, after this trek we were little hungry, so as per our friend's suggestion we decided to go to one of the famous Mysore Pak hotel in Ramnagar city, which is nearby. And since the hotel was situated inside the city, so there was a lot of traffic, and the hotel looks quite decent both from outside and inside. After reaching, we ordered their famous Mysore Pak and halwa also. The Mysore Pak was really delicious because previously also I had eaten a lot of Mysore Pak in Bangalore and nearby Mysore also. But at this hotel the Mysore Pak is very soft and very delicious. Once you put the Mysore Pak into the mouth, it melts like ice, and the taste and the flavor was very good. So it was like it is the best ever Mysore Pak I have ever eaten. तो आप वहाँ से जज कर सकते हैं how good it was. And also after that we tried their halwa. That was also very delicious. It gives a rich flavor of milk and mixed with some raisins. So that was quite delicious too. So guys, after having those delicious dessert, we finally plan to return back to Bangalore क्योंकि बहुत लेट भी हो गया था. And the whole experience of today's journey was quite awesome. जो ट्रेकिंग पार्ट था वो भी बहुत फनफुल था और थोड़ा एडवेंचरस भी था क्योंकि विद इन द केव्स वी हैड टू ट्रेक एंड द व्यू फ्रॉम द हिल टॉप वाज रियली breathtaking and quite impressive. So definitely if you want a different experience of trekking, then you should come this place at least once. After that we tried the most famous and most delicious Mysore Pak in Ramnagar city, that is in the Janardhan hotel. That is also a must visit recommendation from my side. So overall today's journey was really good. So guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video then press the like button and share with your friends. अगर आपको कोई फीडबैक देना है या फिर you want to give me any suggestion, then please do comment in the comment section so that it will help me improvise in my future videos. And at last but not the least, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. See you soon. Bye bye.